I started my gym in 1997, mainly because it's a passion, and I've been involved in bodybuilding for over 20 years at the time. So I figured if I can open a gym to share my passion with other people, fitness, it'll please me more, and see people getting healthy, training other people. I had it for 20 years, and it's been 20 good long years. So this is it. What's left of it. All the walls are down. My cardio area. This is what's left of the machines. Everything ripped apart. The room that was there is totally gone. Bathrooms over there, everything's just down. When all the wind actually started, we're locked inside the house, trying to block the water from coming in, and then everything just crashed open, and the lagoon, the sea just started pouring in with debris from all over the lagoon. The water kept coming higher and higher, and we're trying our best to get out the way that we don't get hurt. And we're floating around on the bed, and we're just praying that it would be over. And thank God for the eye of the hurricane that we actually ran out. Me and my daughter holding my dog in my hand, and we just run for safety during that 45 minutes to safety, and then we had to sit there and wait out the second half of the hurricane again. And then after it all ended and we actually went out, I look at my gym and just, this is it. I can't move on with it. I have to accept it, that this is how it is. But thank God for life, that we're alive. My grandkids are okay, my daughter's okay. So that's what we look forward to, keep us stronger, and move on with our lives. Forget the material stuff. Life is important, friends are important, family is important.